So I'm going to take you through being connected in your body and coming to that beautiful place of rest within yourself. So it's a process of you literally letting go into your body. And it's the same process that happens for everybody. It's just that the way it happens is unique to every person. And what I mean by that is everybody is going to lie still. But how you come to lying still is your way, I'd have my way, and any given day a person would have their way. Everybody feels the letting go and the heaviness. Everybody feels that. But then you might feel your legs letting go first, where somebody else will feel their arms or their shoulders letting go first. But everybody's letting go. So there's the coming into the physical body. I'll show you how to breathe consciously into that you're bringing your energetic body into that same place of rest, but within your physical body. And then mentally is bringing yourself into that mental connection, where you're coming away from the thoughts and you're coming into your mind itself, and then you're coming into the awareness within your mind. And then we're going to place the awareness within your mind, in your breath, and then in your body. So I'm going to layer them all into the physical body first. On another course later on is we'll go through more the energetics and the mental. But for now, we're just going to focus it all on the body and layering the physicalness of the body into the subtle breath within the body, to the subtle awareness and mind within the body.